This project is a powerful security tool for generating strong passwords and hashing sensitive data. It is a dual-purpose web application that includes password generator and MD5 hash generator. It allows users to switch between the password generator and MD5 hash generator using a toggle button. Smooth toggle animation. Clicking a button moves the toggle left or right. The inactive section is hidden, keeping the UI clean. Password generator. The password generator helps users create strong random passwords with customizable options. Customizable passwords. Users can select which character types to include: uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, symbols. They can also adjust the password length using a slider. Users can regenerate a new password based on the selected settings anytime with Regenerate button. Copy to clipboard. Users can copy the generated password with a single click using Copy button. Security Score Indicator. The app analyzes password strength and provides a security score. It will show the red box with the text "weak" if password length is smaller than 10 characters. It will show the yellow box with the text "good" if password length is greater than 10 and smaller than 20 characters. It will show the green box with the text "strong" if password length is greater than 20 characters. Sample Passwords displays 5 random password samples for quick selection with the copy icon to copy the password to chipboard. MD5 hash generator. The MD5 hash generator allows users to create MD5 hashes of any input text. Input field for text. Users can enter any text to generate its MD5 hash. Generate button. On hover, it will add a transaction of background color and adding shadow on button. Clicking the Generate button instantly converts the input text into an MD5 hash. MD5 checksum. Display. The generated hash is displayed in a styled output box. Index.html file. This file contains the layout for the password generator and MD5 hash generator applications. Key features. Home toggle button switches between the password generator and MD5 hash generator. Password Generator app allows users to customize password length and character types, displays generated passwords and security scores. MD5 hash generator app allows users to input text and generate its MD5 hash, includes external files. Index.css file. This file contains global styles and styles for the toggle button. Key styles: white text on a dark background, a black rectangular box with 2 toggle buttons. Uses a moving button effect to indicate the active app. Toggle.js file handles switching between the password generator and hash generator apps. Key features: left-click function shows the password generator and moves the toggle button left. Right-click function shows the hash generator and moves the toggle button right. Password generator.css file defines styles for the password generator UI. Key styles: headings with a blue color, uses a grid layout to arrange different sections, styles the output box with a blue gradient, arranges checkboxes for character selection, uses media query for better mobile display. Password Generator.js file contains JavaScript logic for generating and displaying passwords. Key features: character sets defines uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Selectors connects JavaScript to HTML elements. Password generation randomly selects characters based on user selections, ensures the generated password meets the desired length. Security score changes button color based on password strength. Copy and regenerate allows users to copy or regenerate passwords. HashGenerator.css file defines styles for the HashGenerator UI. Key styles, centers, and styles. The page title provides a purple-themed background, styles the text input, and generate button displays the hashed output in a yellow font. HashGenerator.js file handles the generation of MD5 hashes using Crypto.js. Key features: selectors, targets the text area and output span. MD5 hash generation generate button click event takes input text, computes MD5 hash using Crypto.js.md5, displays the result in the generator box. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.